I'm here for
Don't
like
ever
getting your
ask that.
consent.
You are trying to close on a first date without you reaching that bar and without having a drink. You are trying to have that first date in the bedroom. Don't ever do that.
All right.
That was great. Next we have is Muskan. Muskan, do you have a question? Go ahead.
Yeah. And thank you so much. Actually, I was waiting from long. And Pratik, you're doing a great job. I follow you very closely. So my question is something which like I would like to start with is that I remember some like there was this video on Instagram where you say like some person is asking that he follows Beer Biceps Ranveer, and then he compares himself with the guy, and then you answer that you can't compare someone's page 100 with your page 1. Like now Ranveer has a whole team for personal branding, and now you just can't compare your camera quality with his and like whatever. So I completely agree to it, but I want to know like how to start. So basically, I come from Bhopal, and I'm a recent graduate, and I'm starting with my own company of. Organic and sustainable products. So I'm starting with a very unique throat care spray, and it has a very beautiful bottle as well. Now I want to build this with my own brand. So about myself, I'm a multi-passionate individual. So as you say, you should have your niche, but somehow I'm not able to have my niche. Like I'm somebody who works more productively when I am working, when I have like my schedule set. Like 1 hour I'll do art, 1 hour I'll dance, and the other 5 hours I'll go and work like properly. And I parallelly I feel enthusiastic about writing, and then on my Instagram there are a lot of people who ask me about they like my captions and they want me to write for their companies and all. But then I don't know how to monetize this first.
Stop
Secondly,
right there. Stop right there. Before you go into the second one, Muskan, stop right there. The number one thing which you should be focusing right now is the monetization part when you are especially just getting started, especially when you have your Instagram profile private. I don't know if the Instagram profile which you have linked on your Clubhouse is the only one which you're talking about. If that is the one which you're trying to build your personal brand upon, that should be public right away. Because when I clicked on your Medium profile as well, on Medium you have your last article which was on September 2020, so it is long back.
right,
All right, long back. So I mean,
right,
if I am somebody who is coming to your profile, probably I'm not getting to know you better apart from the Clubhouse bio which you definitely have, but then I need to see some kind of work which you are consistently doing. So because of which two recommendations right away: make your profile public. I don't know the reason behind you keeping that private. If it is some private reason behind that private, it's perfectly all right. I won't deny that fact. But make sure if you're trying to grow a personal brand, it should be public. So maybe you can create some another account or do something, but public.
right. So actually, I tried like earlier. My account was not private; it was public. But somehow I felt that I was not targeting the right people, and so I don't know, like I was engaging a lot of like different kind of audience, which I didn't want to
you
engage. I
definitely
wanted
you
like
definitely will have two reasons. Number one, you are a girl and that too on Instagram in 2021 world. Number two, I'm sure you might be using hashtags. Were you?
yeah, I was using hashtags.
Exactly. So there are bot comments and bot users and everything. So I mean, I won't go into the details. There are a lot of videos on this topic on my YouTube channel and my Instagram as well. So maybe you can
Right,
research more
right.
on
So
that.
that part I totally understand, and I'm with you on that. Like now, I've public my account. That is not a problem, but somehow I felt that I was not targeting the right audience, and I was not getting engaged. But then, of course, I was not doing too much on Instagram. But like I want the real question is how do I build my product? Like I feel that product and your personality goes hand in hand, and that is the new the marketing thing which is happening, like how Baba Ramdev is associated with Patanjali, how India is associated with Modi, so
All
that
right,
is like a
perfect,
marketing thing.
perfect. Let me
Yeah.
ask you this. When you say product, do you actually require a physical product which you're thinking of, or some kind of digital product, or some kind of you in the form of piece of content which might be a product? A product can be a podcast.
Right. So So here's the real question. Like you're actually asking me the right question.
I
So I
always
have a
do.
product which yeah. So I am coming up with a product that is a throat care. Like a immunity throat care spray. It builds upon your, like, you use it in your throat, and that I came up with an idea that right now whatever we do, there's nothing for the throat, like which we can apply, like how Vicks is for cold. I wanted something for our throat because I see a lot of people doing kha kha cuckoo with their throat, and they
That
have
was a
nothing
nice
to
one.
go to. Like, yeah, like you can't do goggles every time, and that is the alternative. Like if you ask me what is the alternative for your product, the goggles. Like how what that's the home remedy. But
Muskan, Muskan, you
yeah.
have just hit the right pain point. It's all about how you communicate to that. Let me explain that. Because I'm a speaker, not just a speaker, but I speak a lot. In short, I speak a lot day in and day out. Probably in the entire 12 hours of me doing my work, I might be speaking for at least, if not less, if not more, maybe 6 to 7 hours I would be speaking. And that is a lot during a day, and that took consistently over these years. So when I'm speaking, I mean, right now as well, while we are doing this clubhouse room, it has been almost 1 hour. I have already drank 1 liter to 1.5 liter of water. All right. Now I have this thing. So after this clubhouse room, maybe I'll gargle with that namak. वो गर्म पानी में जो नमक डाल के gargle करते हैं. I'll
Yes,
definitely do that.
absolutely.
All right.
Yeah.
So now the point is, I was easily right now, if that was the product which you would already have in the market, I would be the loyal customer forever with a lifetime value of close to maybe 1 lakh rupees for you. All right. Over the next 10 years, I would be a loyal buyer, a customer for your brand. The point is, you just hit the right pain point to one guy right now. But out of the entire room, maybe everyone is not facing this problem or not having this problem in the right mindset. They don't even know. So all you need to do is, if you are trying to build up this kind of product, all you have to do is start targeting all the speakers and start hosting all the speakers on your YouTube channel. All right. It would be you grabbing attention for your brand. So let's suppose Muskan is the voice for this XYZ product which you are coming up with, which is with respect to the throat, and throat is like the golden thing for all the speakers like us. We do a lot. I mean, I practice a lot of things for my throat so that my voice is not gone. Yesterday I was talking to one of my friends who is an RJ, I mean ex-RJ, and she was just explaining me all those three kind of vocals, and I have no clue about that. So I was just learning about that. The way I have to use my vocal in the morning when I wake up, the way I have using the vocal while I'm doing this. I mean, there are so many things. So what you need to do is, Muskan, you have to hit the speakers crowd. You have to hit the target like us. And then you have to just talk about all about speakers problems, the throat, how to effectively communicate and all those things. So you have to teach communication, and the back end you will be promoting your product everywhere. So all I would do is branding by siphoning the attention of speakers on my brand, be it the YouTube channel, be it the podcast. And I'm clearly seeing that you are very good at communication as well. You don't have any problems with the language. So go ahead. If I were you, I would be just doing this. I would be siphoning the attention of other people, bringing different people. So for the next 7 days, I'll just build a dream 100 list, which Russell Brunson always says, dream 100 list. Pick out 100 different influencers who are into speaking world in India and approach them on LinkedIn, on maybe Instagram, anywhere, on cold emails, and try to crack at least 50 people for the interview on your YouTube channel, interviewing them about their journey. And while they are speaking, it is all about they speaking. All right. That's how you will then divert the attention everywhere towards your brand. Muskan, you
Right.
getting
So
the point?
that is, I'm absolutely getting, and I'm really grateful. And that is the whole point. So I was thinking, so now my question is, should I do it with my own thing? Like right now, like I should do it with my own name, or I should have, like, let's say my product name is Maisa Herbal Throat Care Spray. So
100%
I
your
should do
call.
it.
Muskan, 100% your call. I do
All
a
right.
I
So
do a lot of I do a
I
lot of
wanted to.
things. I do a lot of things in the back end, but my only primary focus is doing everything when it comes to attention with the name of Digital Pratik.
Right.
It's your
Right.
call.
So I was thinking, like, because as you said, I also feel like I'm a people's person. I like talking to people and like learn from them a lot, and I'm good at talking. So I felt like I wanted to have something called Muse with Muskan, where I will have people and just talk about, let's say, like I'll have a set coffee with Karan types 10 questions.
Don't
I'll
think
ask him
twice,
those
do it.
10 questions.
Don't think twice,
Yeah.
do it, execute, consistent 90 days, and then only decide whether it is working for you or not. 90 days consistently.
All right. So if I approach you, would you mind doing it with me?
Only if
Like,
it is a
you
20-second,
can-
only if it is a 20-second invitation to me, because 22nd is my birth date.
All right. So where can I connect with you for that?
First have 21, you will easily find me.
First have 21.
First have 21 episodes for yourself, 21 different guests. I'm sure you will crack how to crack me on the 22nd.
All right. So again, like just to finish this, and I'll allow other people to ask their questions. So how to approach? Like I'm very skeptical about, will they say yes? Will they, like, how to approach?
While you
some people who
approach,
have, like,
you don't think whether
following.
they'll say yes or no. You approach. You just approach. You approach in the right way without you being salesy, by delivering value in the front end. Talk about yourself. Think as if you are going to an offline event. Will you show your business card straight away to that person? Or will you actually talk, communicate, network, and then if you feel, you'll show your business card? What will you do?
I think I'll communicate first and then show my business card.
Exactly. That's what people are lacking right now on digital platforms, because what they think is when they slide into DMs, they just have to show their business card, which you don't.
Right. So should I target the people who have less following, because then they'll be less pricey?
Muskan,
about
you are
it,
thinking
and
too
then-
much. Muskan, you are thinking too much. Start approaching people. God bless.
All right. All right. Thank you so much.
All
That
right.
was great.
All right.
And also, I would request if others can follow me, because I'm here for
Don't ever
networking.
ask that. You are trying to close on a first date without you reaching that bar and without having a drink. You are trying to have that first date in the bedroom. Don't ever do that.
All right.
All right.
Thanks for that.
All right. Cheers.
All right,
God
thank
bless.
you.
Bye.
Lovely. Bye.